Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It gives you energy and puts you in a good mood to start the day. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make some breakfast burritos. They are easy, convenient, and good. I have 5 large eggs, and I'm adding in a little milk, slightly whisking the eggs just until all the yolks break and the eggs are mixed. Don't over-whisk. In a non-stick pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some butter to coat the bottom. In goes some finely diced onions, and I'm using a red onion and the whites of garden onions. In goes some bell peppers, and for a little heat, I'm adding in a diced seeded jalapeno pepper. This is totally optional. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm adding in some salt and pepper to taste. Now I'm turning my heat down to low, and that's around a 3 to 4 on my electric stove. You want to cook the eggs slowly. I'm continuing to stir the vegetables for another minute. I'm pouring the eggs evenly over the top, just slightly tossing and turning the eggs until they are cooked, or to your desired doneness. You want to keep the eggs fluffy. At the end, I'm adding in the chopped green onions and tossing one more time and then removing from the pan. You can make breakfast burritos with any kind of meat, vegetables, grains, fruits, herbs, and it's great for using leftovers. Today I'm making the breakfast burritos with some potatoes and some with black beans. I'm sauteing some finely diced potatoes with a little butter, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. And it's time to make these burritos. Today I'm using flour tortillas that I heated in a pan, adding some shredded cheddar cheese, a couple spoonfuls of the scrambled eggs, and some of the sauteed potatoes, folding in the sides of the tortilla and rolling. For the second burrito, I have the shredded cheese, the scrambled eggs, some black beans, and a little salsa. The breakfast burritos are ready to eat, but today I'm tossing them in my grilled pan to help melt the cheese and add a little charred flavor. And here they are, ready to eat. This recipe made 6 nice-sized breakfast burritos. You can make these ahead of time, and they freeze and reheat well. These are packed full of flavor and a great way to start the day. I hope you try making your own breakfast burritos, and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!